Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Metamask to Pancakeswap. Okay, go to your Metamask wallet. First that you need to do is to set up your Metamask wallet for Binance Smart Chain that you can connect it to Pancakeswap. In the top of the screen, click on Networks, click Add Network, and in this list you will see Binance Smart Chain. I already added Binance Smart Chain. Just click Add, confirm all, and Binance Smart Chain will be added to your wallet. As you can see, I already have it here. And don't forget to switch networks when you're connecting to Pancakeswap. Okay, switch to Binance Smart Chain. Now we are here. Just click menu icon in the top left corner, click browser. In search bar type Pancakeswap. You will see connect. Just click connect. My wallet is already connected and you are ready to trade on Pancakeswap. Scroll down, click trade now, and you are connected to Pancakeswap and you can trade coins. Now I will show you how to connect Metamask wallet to Pancakeswap on desktop version. Of course, as you saw on mobile version, you need to set up your Metamask for Binance Smart Chain. With mobile version, Metamask added feature that allows you to add one of popular networks without having to input any details, but in desktop version you need to put RPC details manually. This is details that you need to input in your Metamask wallet. You can find it on Binance Academy article, but I will post you in the video description below or information that you need to set up your Metamask for Binance Smart Chain and connect it to Pancakeswap. Okay, go to your Metamask, click on Networks. I already added Binance Smart Chain. Just to show you, click on Add Network and put all details in this boxes: network name, Smart Chain, or you can add Binance Smart Chain, RPC URL, copy that, ChainID 56, symbol BNB, and block explorer. Click save and you will have Binance Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet, as I already have it. Don't forget to switch to Binance Smart Chain when you want to connect to Pancakeswap. Okay, now go to pancakeswap.finance. Here on pancakeswap.finance you can switch from BNB and Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Click on Binance Smart Chain and click connect your wallet. Click Metamask and your wallet will be connected. Now you can trade on Pancakeswap. Scroll down, click on trade now, and here you will see your BNB balance and can trade tokens on Pancakeswap. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.